Hello everyone, welcome back to the Login Aid channel. Today I will be showing you how you can hide the Taskbar Manager in Windows 10. Now you are at the desktop screen of your Windows. Here you can see the taskbar over here. Now you right click on the empty space in the taskbar. Then click on Taskbar Setting. Now the taskbar setting option will pop out in your desktop. Now you will see the option that you can make changes that is related to the taskbar only. You can see log the taskbar. To hide the taskbar, you can see the option available here. Automatically hide the taskbar in the desktop mode. Now you need to toggle the on and off switch for this to work. You can see currently it's on off. Now if I click on it, it will get changed to on and the switch will move to the right side. With that, you can see the Taskbar Manager has been hidden. Now that my mouse cursor is currently on the taskbar, it is visible. When I remove the mouse cursor, the taskbar will get hidden. Here you can see if I move the cursor to the very end, the taskbar will get visible. Now if I move the cursor upward, the taskbar will get hidden. Hope this video was useful to you and you have learned how you can easily hide your taskbar in Windows 10. Please like and subscribe the Login Aid channel and do click on the bell icon for the notification and updates on videos. Thank you.